Now, let's see today, once again we are back to see the snake tribe. In previous class, we learned stanza number 1 and stanza number 2 from the snake tribe. Today we are going to discuss and know about the third stanza of this poem, the snake tribe. So let's see. The third stanza of the poem, the snake tribe. Poet says that along the sand, he lay until absorbed. The snake lay the sand along the sand and lay until absorbed, and glanced away, and now he vanishes in the ripples among the green swing reeds. It seems like that writer is trying to say that the sun is seen in lying continuously in the sand unless it is not absorbed by someone. Suddenly, if you feel that I have seen a snake and you started watching the snake felt that someone has watched me, and suddenly he glanced away and now he vanishes. Vanishes means disappears. So write it down. Vanishes. V-A-N-I-S-H-E-S. Vanishes means disappear. Disappears. So very soon he vanishes. Here once again see here he is used for the snake. Here he is used for snake. So he vanishes in the ripples. In the ripples means like a tide of the water, it seems like that, into the reeds. Here, sleep reeds. Reeds is also mentioned here for the plant. Aqua plant, you can say. Aqua plants. Sleep reeds just disappear into among the green sleep reeds. Here, once again see, along the sand he lay until absorbed and pressed away, and now he vanishes in the ripples among the green slim reeds. Here reeds indicating the aquatic plants. Now we would like to know, once again go through the lines, you would be able to know something. As I told you, that till it was spotted. Who was spotted? The snake was spotted. Till the snake was spotted and chased away by the person holding a stick towards the snake. The snake is trying to save itself and just lay quietly in the sand. Unless snake is not absorbed, it lays in the sand. And if a person holding a stick, it lay quietly in the sand in order to save itself. In the sense of like in order to save his life. Whose life? Snake's life. So in order to save his life, the snake disappears in the ripples of water and hides in the like a camouflaging green bushes of the marshy plants. Here, the camouflaging in the sense of like according to the color of the water, according to the color of reeds, plants, bushes, it just changes its color according to that. It seems like that the snake would not be visible into that, and the snake would be able to save his life even also. So this much was about the third stanza. Okay? So understood the meaning of third stanza? Let's see once again. I am just telling you. Along the sand, he lay until absorbed and chased away, and now he vanishes in the ripples among the green sleep reeds. Here, vanishes means disappears. So you should say that till it was spotted and chased away by the person holding a stick, it lay quietly in the sand in order to save his life, and The snake disappears in the ripples of the water and hides in the camouflaging green bushes of the marshy plants. This is your third stanza. Now it's a time to see our literary devices. So, what are the literary devices? Okay? Well, let's see. In this part, we would like to know or learn the literary devices which is used in the snake tribe. Here is the first literary device what we found, transferred epithet. What do you mean by transferred epithet? First thing. So the transferred epithet means the adjective used with a noun. Used with a noun to a noun other than one with which it is used. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इसका मतलब हुआ कि जो एडजेक्टिव एक ऐसा एडजेक्टिव जो किसी नाउन के लिए यूज हुआ है उस नाउन के लिए यूज नहीं हुआ. जैसे एग्जाम्पल इज गिवन इन योर बुक, परसुइंग स्टिक. हियर परसुइंग वर्ड इज यूज्ड फॉर ए पर्सन. So a person is holding a stick in his hand. The stick is not holding a person's hand. Understood? So here pursuing refers to the person who is holding the stick, not the stick itself. जैसे मान लो मैंने एक चॉक पकड़ के रखा, तो I am holding a chalk. I am holding a chalk. ये चॉक मुझसे चिपका हुआ नहीं. This chalk is not clung with my finger. I am holding this chalk. Same like that, a person is holding a stick. A stick is not clung into that, or a stick is not holding the person's finger. So this is here pursuing a stick. Now it is very clear that transferred epithet is a kind of figure of speech which is used as an adjective with a noun and it refers to a noun, not other than the noun itself. Is it clear? तो ये समझ में आ गया होगा. Next one देखते हैं. In the next part, in this poem there is no rhyme scheme. So rhyme scheme is absent here. So you can say it is a free verse kind of a poem. If question asks what kind of poem it is, so the poem is free verse. Poem has no any rhyming scheme. Third one which is used in this poem is alliteration. Alliteration is used. Where is alliteration? So the repetition of consonant sounds. Repetition of consonant sounds in two or more consecutive words. If a consonant word or consonant sound is repeated one or more than two words consecutively and it sounds same like consonant sound, it is called alliteration. For example, you can see in your book, he is harmless. Here in the poem, he means H and harmless H. Both are the consonant sound, so it is called here alliteration. Understood? Because it is a very vital one to understand. If you do not understand literary devices, here it will be difficulty while learning the other poem also, because all the poems are connected to each other when you are talking about the literary devices, because all the literary devices are just used in one poem or other poem. So we need to learn the literary devices accordingly. So I think it is clear to you all that what is transferred epithet and what is rhyming scheme here used and what do you mean by here alliteration, what we have done. Is it clear? Okay.